In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize a ticket pipeline in HubSpot's CRM. This process is ideal for Service Hub users, but can also be done on the free plan, albeit with some limitations. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to access your pipeline settings. You can do this by clicking on the settings icon located in the top right corner of your HubSpot account. Once you're in the settings, look over to the left sidebar. You'll want to navigate to Objects and then click on Tickets. From there, direct your attention to the Pipelines tab, as that's where we'll get started. Next, let's go ahead and create a new ticket pipeline. This feature is available across all HubSpot accounts, whether you're on the free version, Starter, Pro, or Enterprise plans. Keep in mind that if you're on the free plan, you're limited to just one pipeline. To begin, under the option to select a pipeline, choose the Create Pipeline button. You'll then be prompted to name your pipeline. Something like Support Workflow could work well. Once you have your name, click Create to move forward. With your new pipeline in place, we need to define your ticket statuses or stages. This is how you'll keep track of the progress on each ticket. With your pipeline selected, look for the option to add another status below the default stages. Here, you can enter a name for your status, like In Progress or Awaiting Customer, and you'll also decide whether it's an open or closed type status. You can easily reorder these statuses by dragging them around, ensuring they visually represent your workflow. If you have access to the starter plan or higher, you can set properties per status, though this is optional. To do this, hover over a status row and click on Edit Properties under the Update Status Properties section. In this section, you can choose which fields, or properties, users must fill in when a ticket moves to that particular status. You also have the option to mark any of these fields as required. Don't forget to click Save to ensure your changes are applied. Let's add some automation rules, a powerful tool that can save you a lot of time. Click on the Automate tab to explore these features. Here, you can enable automatic ticket creation from your connected channels, which includes emails, chats, and forms. You can also set it so that statuses update automatically when support emails are sent out to customers or when they reply. Additionally, you can have the system auto-set a close date when marking a ticket as closed, and even clear it if the ticket gets reopened. For those needing more advanced actions, scroll to the section labeled Trigger Actions when a ticket reaches a certain status. Clicking the icon here allows you to add actions like sending an internal email or external notification, or even launching a workflow. Always save your changes to ensure everything is set just the way you want. And there you have it. You're now well on your way to efficiently managing your tickets with a customized pipeline in HubSpot's CRM. Thanks for watching, and happy ticketing.